Today, I'll show you how to give developer access to your GoDaddy domain. This is really useful when you want a web developer or designer to work on your site, manage your hosting, or update DNS settings without handing over your full login details or any sensitive billing information. To start, you'll need to sign into your GoDaddy account and go to the Delegate Access section. If you're already logged in, you can usually find this by going to your account settings or your profile area, then looking for something labeled Delegate Access or Account Access. This is the place where you control who else can work inside your GoDaddy account on your behalf. Once you're on the Delegate Access page, look for the section called People Who Can Access My Account. This is where your invited users will be listed. To add a new person, click the option that says Invite to Access. This begins the process of granting access to your developer. Next, you'll be asked to fill in a few details. You'll see fields for the person's name and email address. Type in your developer's name and then enter the email address they actively use for their GoDaddy or work-related communication. It's important that this email is correct because this is where GoDaddy will send the invitation. If there's a typo, they won't receive it and you'll have to repeat the process. After entering the name and email, you'll need to choose what level of access to give them. Here, select the products and domains permission level. This is the key setting for safely working with a developer. With products and domains access, the developer can manage your website, your hosting, and your domain settings, including DNS records. That means they can point your domain to a new server, connect it to a website platform, or troubleshoot technical issues, all without needing your personal login. Just as important, this level of access blocks them from seeing your payment methods or making purchases on your behalf. They won't be able to access your credit card details or buy new products in your account. This keeps your financial information secure while still giving them everything they need to do their job. If a developer ever says they need full access or your password, it's a good idea to double check whether products and domains covers what they're asking for, which it usually does. Once you've confirmed the details and selected products and domains, go ahead and click Invite. GoDaddy will send an email invitation to your developer. They'll need to accept that invitation on their side before the access becomes active. You can always return to the Delegate Access page later to review who has access, change their permissions, or remove access when the work is finished. And that's it. You've now safely given a developer access to your GoDaddy domain without sharing your password or billing information.